we're looking at our circle books, and we're going to add another thing into our circle books. We've got arc length here. Now we're going to do area of a sector. Area of sector. And this almost looks the same, where we have A, B, C with radius R, but we want to know this whole area, everything in there. Okay? So we're going to do arc of the angle over 360 equals area of the sector over what's area of a circle, guys? How do you find the area of a circle?
2
Pi.
pi r squared.
There we go, r squared. Do area of a circle. That's what we're doing today. Okay. Make sure you have this written down in your circle book. Remember, you can use your circle book on your test. Anybody remember when the test is going to be?
Monday.
The 20?
Second.
Okay. All right. So now I want you to have geometry, arc length, and area sector in front of you. One of the problems is literally just going to be review from what you did last night, and then one is going to be the new way, so we can just see the difference. Okay. So we're going to look right here at number 3. I chose number 3 because it's not a picture. Now, we have to read the directions carefully for these. This one says, find the length of each arc. And it does say round to the nearest tenth, which means 1 decimal place. The next one say, find the area of the sector, round to the nearest tenth. So this one talks about arc length. So that's like yesterday. So that is the angle, 60, over 360, equals the arc length, we don't know what it is, x, over 2 pi, r is 18. Okay? Now I'm going to cross multiply. 60 times 2 pi 18 is 6,785.84 equals 360x. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 360. And I'm going to get x equals 18.8 centimeters. Okay? So just like we did yesterday, right? Anybody have questions about how we did that? Okay, let's try number 5 and see how it's different. So we're going to do what goes up here on this top left? 90. What goes on the bottom of this left-hand side?
360.
360. Okay. What goes on this top right over here?
X.
What goes on the bottom? That's the harder part. It's new.
Pi r squared.
So pi 14 squared. For some reason, I'm not going to even write this down because I don't want you to remember it, but in third hour especially, people kept putting a 2 in front of it. Don't try to combine what circumference and area is into one equation. It's not a thing. Okay, area pi r squared, circumference 2 pi r. Now we're going to cross multiply. 90 times pi 14 squared is 55,417.7 equals 360x. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 360. And so the area equals 153.9 centimeters squared. Don't forget the squared. Okay, when we have area, we should have a squared. Okay, so these next 5 problems in this section all are area. But I do want you to do these 3 problems at the top as well for arc length. Okay? You're going to complete this before you leave today, before you leave class, and I'm going to check that you have the correct answers, and I am going to give you credit for this today. So this is worth 10 points, and then your homework is also worth 10 points. Okay? So you have an opportunity to earn 20 points today between your classwork and your homework. Okay? Homework I'm going to check in on Monday at the beginning of class.